So the successor of the Tank 3 and the Tank 3 Pro, which is the Unihertz Tank 4, is expected to launch towards the ending of April or early May. Now, the top features of this device has surfaced online, and I'm going to share the specs with you guys in this video. But before I do that, I'd like you guys to know that these specs may not be entirely correct, so make sure to take them with a pinch of salt. But they are actually specs that I was able to gather from multiple legit online sources. Okay, anyways, as regarding the design of the device, we don't know what the device looks like yet, but I'm expecting it to look a lot like its predecessors, because if you look closely at Unihertz devices, you realize that they tend to look like one another. So I'm expecting the Tank 4 to look a lot like the Tank 3 series or the Tank 2 series, and so on like that. Anyway, as regarding the top specs, well, here they are. So what do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If I get more details about the upcoming Tank 4, I'll definitely let you guys know. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.